Namaste children, today in our functional grammar series we learn when to use simple past verb and when to use past perfect form of the verb. The simple past tense simply mentions a past action. The following time markers are found in a simple past sentence. Once upon a time, yesterday, ago, last month, last week, the other day, etc. Generally, when we mention about two past actions, in order to mention the action that took place first, we use past perfect tense to the earlier action. As far as possible, we do not use past perfect tense when we mention only one action. Now, let us fill these blanks with correct form of the verb. I dash hungry yesterday. Here, the action already took place and the time marker is yesterday. Hence, the blank would take V2 form of the verb. V2 form for be form is was and were. Here, the subject is singular I. Hence, the blank would take was. Hence, the sentence will be I was hungry yesterday. Now let us see this sentence. Dash do he work hard last month. Here the time marker is last month, that is the sentence is in simple past tense and V2 form for do is did. Hence the sentence will be did he work hard last month. Now let us see this sentence. They dash be sleepy yesterday. Here the time marker is yesterday, that is the blank would take V2 form. V2 form for be is already it is told was or were. Because here the subject is plural, it takes were. Hence, the sentence would be they were sleepy yesterday. Look at this example. The soldier dash carry a gun last month. Here also the time marker is a past time marker. Hence, the blank would take V2 form of the verb carry, that means carried. The sentence would be the soldier carried a gun last month. Now, see this example. Raja dash get up, dash brush up his teeth and dash ready for his action. Here friends, here you see there are three actions. One is getting up, second one is brushing and third one is become. If we very carefully observe these three actions, they follow some sequence and all the actions are completed. Hence, all the blanks would take V2 form. Hence, the sentence would be Raja got up, brushed up his teeth and became ready for his school. Let us see this example. I dash read my lessons dash take a note of important points and dash get ready to deliver my lecture. Here also we have three actions and all these three actions follow some sequence. Though there are more than one action in the past, and follow some sequence, all the verbs would take V2 form of the action. In the last example, we learned that also. Now, in this sentence also, I read my lessons, took a note of important points, and got ready to deliver my lecture. Now, let us see this example. When I dash arrive the train dash leave the station. It is very clear. Here we have two actions. One is arrive, other one is leave. So which action took place first? The action of leaving took place first. Hence, we should write that leaving action in past perfect tense. Hence, the sentence will be, when I arrived, the train had left the station. We know in past perfect we have to write had plus V3 form of the sentence. Let us see this sentence. The teacher dash want to know why Sidhu dash not complete his homework. Here, ask one question, whether the teacher wanted to know took place first or Sidhu's completing the homework took place first. Not doing the homework took place first. Actually, Sidhu not doing the homework took place first. Hence, the answer will be, teacher wanted to know why Sidhu hadn't completed his homework. Let us see this sentence. We dash go for a walk after we dash take our supper. So here, taking supper took place first or going for a walk took place first. Definitely, taking supper took place first. Hence, we should fill that blank with past perfect tense of the verb. Hence, the sentence will be, we went for a walk after we had taken our supper. Now, let us see this sentence. We dash live in Kerala for 5 years before we dash to Delhi. Carefully observe the sentence. Living in Kerala took place first or moving to Delhi take place first. Here, living in Kerala took place first. Hence, we should fill that blank with past perfect tense. Hence, the sentence will be, we had lived in Kerala for 5 years before we moved to Delhi. Let us see this sentence. By the time the firefighters dash arrive, the fire dash destroy many houses. Here, which action took place first? Destroying took place first. Hence, we should fill that blank with past perfect tense. Hence, the sentence will be, by the time the firefighters arrived, the fire had destroyed many houses. See this sentence? He was dash not permitted to write the examination because he dash not bring his hall ticket. So here permitting took place first or not bringing took place first? Definitely not bringing. Hence, the sentence will be, he was not permitted to write the examination because he had not brought his hall ticket. See this sentence. Long before the chief guest dash come, the invitees dash arrive. Here, who arrived first? Chief guest or invitees? Definitely invitees. Hence, the sentence will be, long before the chief guest came, the invitees had arrived.